Welcome back to Product Critique, where we break down the best products so you don't have to. In today's episode, we're diving into the best waterproof wet pocket 40L sports duffel on the market, the IGOLUMON gym bag. Whether you're heading to the gym, catching a flight, or packing for a weekend getaway, this bag might just become your new go-to. Let's find out why. Cut to host holding the bag, showing the fabric. First off, let's talk about build quality. The IGOLUMON gym bag is crafted with lightweight yet ultra-durable polyester, paired with a high-density nylon lining. The surface feels tough and resilient, and it boasts water-resistant and wrinkle-free properties. Rainy day or locker room splash? No problem. Premium zippers ensure smooth operation and long-lasting use, while the base, reinforced with 4 square studs, helps the bag stay upright and resist abrasion over time. You can feel the quality in every seam, thanks to reinforced stitching at all major stress points. Cut to demo of compartments, unzipping and packing the bag. Now for the layout. This 40L duffel is surprisingly spacious and well organized. The main compartment opens wide with double zippers, easily fitting clothes, towels, toiletries, and more. Inside, you'll find a large mesh pocket, a zippered pocket, and a small mesh one for organizing your essentials. Flip to the back and you'll find a dedicated waterproof wet pocket, perfect for damp towels or sweaty gear. Zoom in on the shoe compartment with ventilation holes. But one of its standout features has to be the separate shoe compartment. It's ventilated with 2 holes, helping to keep odors at bay and your clean gear protected. This slot fits most shoe sizes comfortably and is a game changer if you're someone who packs sneakers or sports shoes regularly. Cut to host wearing the bag with the shoulder strap. Comfort is another area where the IGOLUMON shines. The shoulder strap is adjustable and detachable, with extra padding to reduce pressure during long carries. The handles also have soft padding and a strong grip. There's even a side handle, so you can hang the bag on a hook or carry it vertically. The back strap slides right over your rolling luggage handle, converting it into a perfect airport companion. Cut to different use case footage: gym, airport, weekend trip. Versatility is baked into this bag's DNA. Use it as a gym bag, overnight bag, travel duffel, or even as your hospital go bag. The 40L version measures just over 21 inches in length and weighs about 2.5 pounds, ideal for both overhead bins and under-seat storage. It's not just a duffel, it's an all-around gear companion. If you're someone who wants functionality without sacrificing style, the IGOLUMON gym bag checks all the right boxes. Thanks for tuning into Product Critique. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss another product breakdown. See you in the next one.